guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one that I'm super excited to be filming because I am partnering with Fawn Designs. I've been wanting a new diaper bag, and so I reached out to them and asked if they would like to collaborate on a video, and they said yes. I have been seeing these diaper bags around for a long time and just heard people raving about them. So I wanted to try them out for myself, and also the main reason I really wanted one was because I was kind of ready for something that looked more like part of my outfit rather than just a diaper bag, since it's something that I carry around with me every single day. I was just kind of wanting something a little bit more mature looking and more of a fashion piece rather than just a diaper bag. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside of my diaper bag, but first I wanted to give you a quick review now that I've been using it for a couple weeks and just give you my real honest opinion about what I think about this diaper bag. Anyways, a huge thank you to Fawn Designs for sending me this diaper bag. I have to say that I am loving it. My review is going to be a positive one because I really genuinely love this diaper bag. Here is the bag. I think this is called the brown one. I'll have it linked down below. I really think that this color is really great to go with almost any outfit because, as you can see, I'm wearing black right now, and usually I wouldn't think to put black and brown together, but it's kind of more of a cognac, and so I think this is a cognac. But anyways, I just love the leather look of this, and I think it looks just like a really nice purse. If you guys followed my stories, I gave you my first impression of receiving the bag in the mail. I was blown away by the quality. I mean, it feels so nice. The packaging was amazing. It came with a dust bag, and if you guys are familiar with designer purses, they come in a dust bag, but as far as diaper bags go, this is a designer diaper bag. It is so amazing. Just the feel of it. The hardware is gold, and I think just the design of the bag is so pleasing. I just can't get over the fact of how much of a fashion statement it is rather than something you carry your baby stuff around in. A must for me, and what Fawn Designs does have, are backpack straps. I have a newborn and a toddler, and so I need my hands to be free, so this was a non-negotiable for me. Personally, I would like a little bit of padding on the straps, but they are comfortable. I love how high the diaper bag sits on my back. It just makes it a lot easier to carry. It's more comfortable, and also when it's not too full, because sometimes I do definitely overpack it, when it's not too full, it's very comfortable to wear, and I don't miss the fact that there's no padding on these straps because they are really wide, so they are pretty comfortable. Sometimes with the adjustable straps, which are a really nice option to have, the strap can kind of like over time kind of like loosen and stuff, but this one I didn't have that problem with. It just sits really snug exactly where you adjust it to, so I really do like that about it. I do love this pocket here. I love to just slip my phone in it. It's really easily accessible. To just grab my phone out. And I do have my phone in there right now. And then there's a zipper here, which I would probably just put like cash or something in. I don't have anything in it right now, but it's just a really nice place for cash or keys or something like that. On each side of it, it has a pocket, which in my opinion, it would have been nice if they were a little bit bigger so that you could, I mean, you can still fit a standard water bottle inside of these, but it's not gonna hold all sizes, especially if you have it pretty full. So I think that those could have been a little bigger, but then again, it might not have looked sleek if they were. So it's kind of going to hold only certain water bottles and certain sippy cups just because of the size. So now for the inside. One feature I do really like about the top is that it opens up completely. There's no flap going over it. There's no sides that you can't quite get to. It just completely opens. It's really, really nice. And then on the inside, it's just as nice as the outside. It just looks really, really chic, and it feels really nice. So I think what I'm gonna do is empty my contents now to you and then review the inside of the bag as well. So the first thing I carry around since I have a newborn is my baby wrap from 7Baby, I want to say. I'll have a link below because I do have a coupon code for this one, and I think it's really cute as well. It's like a star print, and it's really long, so it's gonna fit like one size fits all. I have a coupon code down below so that you can get, I think, like $40 off, making this like $33 including shipping, which is like less than half of what like the Moby wrap costs. And I do like this one because it is very stretchy. But yeah, I don't go anywhere without this because sometimes Chloe just decides that she does not want to be in her car seat any longer, which can be put in the stroller. So I do Moby wrap her a lot, and she's a lot happier that way. Next I have my wallet. That's very important. As you can see, it is big enough to hold all the essentials. It seems really big on the inside, but it doesn't look as huge on the outside to me. I think the shape has something to do with that because as you can see, it is like a half circle. So the back is really flat and then the front kind of pooches out so that you can pack more stuff into it. And I didn't just pack this. This is like literally messy and what I really do always carry around with me in my diaper bag. Something I usually forget though is a bib for Marcus because when we go out to eat, he's pretty messy. Right on top, I like to keep a burp rag handy because Chloe's always spitting up and making a mess everywhere. I have a couple toys. I don't really pack a lot of toys because there's not really that much room, but the ones I do have are some that keep them pretty busy. I have this for Chloe because she really likes hearing the crinkle sound, which this was just free in some sort of baby registry free gift. And then I do have this little phone for Marcus from Target that makes noise. Marcus really loves, this is Chloe's, but Marcus really loves it right now for some reason. I also have, I had an actual container for my passies. One is Chloe's and one is Marcus's, but I couldn't find it, so I just have it in this container, Tupperware container right now. I try to always have emergency passies because Marcus is just so good. When he has a passy, he'll like fall asleep in the car, and Chloe, sometimes that's all that will like calm her down when we have to drive somewhere. So I do always try to have backup passies in my diaper bag. And then also because Marcus, he's so easy to please. If he's having like a meltdown in the car or wherever we are, if I give him food, I mean, I think he gets hangry like his dad, but if I give him food, he's like a completely different boy. So what I have right here is organic apple strawberry fruit crusher from Trader Joe's. He really loves these, as well as I have a pack of Annie's bunny grams. These are new. Usually we get the cheddar bunnies, but he really likes these too. And I thought I had another package. Sometimes in the morning, Marcus will get into my diaper bag and bring these to me because he wants them before breakfast. Now that Marcus is a toddler, he is so into stickers. If we are anywhere like a doctor's office or anywhere he has to be quiet and sit still, if I give him some stickers, on the plane even, if I give him stickers, he will be there for like 20 minutes just sticking them to himself and to me and to whatever. He just loves stickers so much. And these are from the Target dollar section. It's $1 for like 4 sheets of stickers. And that's where I get all my stickers because they're such a good price there. And they have saved my life many times. The next thing I have is this is a car seat canopy. I really love this one. It's only $15 from Canopy Couture. I can't say that word. But I love to have this when Chloe falls asleep to go over the car seat. And what I really like about this brand is that it's much more shaped to the car seat, but also still works as a nursing cover, which I love to have it be 2-in-1. It fits a lot snugger than most nursing covers around the car seat, but it still really works for a nursing cover, and it's really thin, breathable fabric. This is kind of my favorite one. I have like 3 different nursing covers that are like this because I like the ones that go like all the way around you. It just feels much more comfortable to me. And I also have a coupon code for this one as well, making it only $15 for shipping. So I'll have that link down below as well. The next thing I have, and I had a bottle in here, but I think Marcus took it out. I had a bottle and I have some formula. Chloe is like 100% breastfed, but I do like to have some formula on hand for emergencies, like if I am just in a place where we're in the car and I can't feed her but she's really hungry, we can just give her a bottle, or if I have to leave her with someone, and then they can just feed her with that. So I do like to have this for emergencies. I used that a lot more with Marcus, but this time around Chloe's just been, I think she's had a total of like 4 bottles in her life, but she'll still take them, which I'm very thankful for. Next, we have some water wipes. I love to use water wipes for my newborns. These are just almost completely water. It's like 99.9% water, and my babies never had rashes as newborns, and I think it is due to using these wipes and organic diapers. So I'll probably just continue using these up until around Chloe hits like 6 months or something, but I really do swear by these for newborns. At the bottom of the bag, I have some emergency clothes for Marcus and Chloe, just a little footed pajama for Chloe, and then a onesie that I don't usually dress him in, and some pants I don't usually dress him in for Marcus. And I think I should add a shirt for me because Chloe does spit up a lot more than Marcus ever did. So one time at church she spit up on me. My whole sleeve was wet because she had spit up so much on me, and I wish I would have had a shirt. Like, we left church like so fast that day, but I wish I would have had another shirt that I could have just changed into. Okay, so now that the whole middle is emptied, I kept the stickers in this flat pocket right back here because it keeps them really nice and flat. And then there's a zipper right in front of it. Oh, I have something in it. I forgot I have these. I do like to carry around these. These are Nature Valley biscuits with almond butter. They're so good, and I like to, because I'm a nursing mom, I like to have snacks on hand in case I ever get too hungry. So I have that in there. Also, they have, I don't know if I can show you guys very well. They have this for keys so that you don't lose them in your diaper bag, which usually I just put my keys like in a pocket right here. So I've never really used that, but if you like to put your keys in there, I think that would come in a lot handy. It's just this little clip type thing. I don't know what you call it. Anyway, so inside there's that pocket at the back, and then around the sides there are 4 pockets, 1 on each side and then 2 over here. And in these pockets, they're really nice size pockets. In the 2 front, I am able to fit 3 diapers for Marcus and 3 diapers in Chloe's size. So they are nice size. They're actually the perfect size for the diapers. And then on the sides, I have a pocket for all the bottled things like their sunscreen, some hand sanitizer, and some diaper rash cream. These are both Honest Company. I really like their baby stuff. And then this is Baby Ganix. I like to go with all natural, and Baby Ganix is the brand I usually go with because they are very inexpensive, but I have to say this is my favorite diaper rash cream because it's not as sticky as the other ones, so I always go for the Honest Company. And then in the last pocket, which is this side one down here, sorry, it's like flopping everywhere, I have some alcohol hand sanitizing wipes, which are great to wipe off Marcus's hands. And then also I have these Munchkin natural pacifier cleaning wipes for toys or pacifiers. And I really do like having these because their passies fall every time. I need to get some pacifier clips to clip to their clothes because we're always dropping pacifiers on the floor. So that's my diaper bag completely emptied. Yeah, I love this diaper bag. It makes me feel so good whenever I put it on. It just looks so nice. I don't know if it comes across camera, but it just feels like such good quality, and it's just stitched together so nicely. I mean, it is, like I said earlier, it is a designer diaper bag, and it is gorgeous. It dresses up your outfit. One thing I forgot to mention is that it does have a removable strap that you can wear over your shoulder or crossbody, that I think is really nice. However, the bag does not come with a diaper changing pad, so they actually do sell something on their website. I think it's like a clutch that's a changing pad, and then you can fit a few diapers in it. So that would be nice to have, but this bag does not come with one. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else because I do like having something to keep them off like the, you know, regular restroom changing pads, but that's also a little padded so they're more comfortable. So I will have to be figuring something out for that. But I think all in all, I really do love this diaper bag. I think it's aesthetically pleasing. It's just a really nice part of my outfit now. but is really functional as a diaper bag as well. So once again, thank you so much to Fawn Designs for collaborating with me on this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it as well and that I provided good info on what I thought of this diaper bag. I'll have their website and their Instagram linked down below so you guys can go take a look at the diaper bags yourself because they come in a lot more colors and a few different styles as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I upload a lot of fun content on mommy lifestyle, cleaning motivation, and then I also do a lot of menu planning inspiration because I know how hard that can be as a mom. So make sure you are subscribed and you won't miss out on any of that upcoming content. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.